Hello, Wisdies! Buckle your brains. It's game time. Let's play Odd One Out with our jungle buddies. Here come our silly little monkeys. One of them looks different. Look closely. Yes, it's the monkey with no eyebrows. Great spotting, Wisnies. Now, we are at the pond with 5 chubby hippos. Splash, splash. But one of them has a special feature. Can you find it? Got it. The hippo with blue nostrils. Well done. Oh, cute pandas in the bamboo forest. But which panda is different? Yes, the panda without a leaf on its quid. You have got sharp eyes. Stomp, stomp. The baby dinos are here. Can you spot the dino with something missing? You found it. The dino is missing a head scale. You've got dino detective power. Come on, last round, Wisnies. Our wiggly snakes are ready. Look closely. Hey, you got it. You are awesome. Bye-bye, brain stars. See you soon.